As you can see, it is getting super cold here. I need to wear gloves, a jacket and a beanie. And this video, we've got some exciting news for you because we will be unboxing the new wood burner, which is right here. And I'm super keen because, you know, I was browsing through a lot of different ones, and you know, the last time I was actually looking for a specific one but didn't get it because they weren't able to ship it, and so I got one out of the hardware store for cheap last minute. But this time I was looking for one specifically. I didn't get the one I was looking at last time. The one last time was pretty cool too, but it was for like a different kind of need. And so this one, I think that is the perfect wood burner for my need right now and how I want to install it. And yeah, I'm super excited because it is getting cold here. You know, like it is November in Germany and we're getting to those colder days. This video is only going to be the unboxing of the wood burner, and on top of that I just want to check out if the chimney that I bought is going to be too big. So anyways, that's a different story. We're going to get into that later. But yeah, first of all, we're just gonna do the unboxing. It's gonna be another wood burner in my van, another fire stove. And this one is called the Hobbit. Rightio. That one looks a lot smaller than I expected it to be. I do want a small stove though, so that's alright. But I was making a model until now to be estimating the size of the thing, and my model is pretty much that thing here. That used to be my wood burner until now. I've got this hull marked here, which says where approximately the chimney is going to come out. And so if you put this just between, it's kind of the same, you know, like still this box just looks a bit boxier than this tiny wood stove here. Wood burner, I'm not sure what word to use. So yeah, now to the most interesting part. I bought a full set of a chimney which is insulated, a rain hat that you put on top, outside of the car and all that kind of stuff. And when it arrived, it looked super big, and now I want to test if I have to send it back or not, because I'm gonna show you. So this here is the chimney, and this one is 20 centimeters or 200 millimeters in diameter on the outside, and what we got on the wood burner is a lot smaller, just 100 millimeter. So this one is twice the size, but I wanted a black one and I wanted like some kind of neat looking rain cover for outside of the van, and so that one, the whole set was pretty good. Yeah, that's why I got 200 millimeter, but insulated pipes are at least 150. At least I couldn't find one below 150 millimeters in diameter, so it's only gonna be this much smaller if I go for 150 millimeters. So it would be bigger than the 100 anyways, and I just don't see the point in sending it back if it looks too big and too ugly and too whatever, I might consider it, but right now I wanted to test it out, you know. The only thing I really need with my setup that I'm going for of how I'm gonna install the chimney, which is gonna a separate video, I would only need the adapter to the insulated pipe, then a meter of insulated pipe, and then the rain cover outside, and another special thing, but that didn't come with the set. So there's only 3 things that I really need, and the set came with 5 things. But I had a look the last few days for other chimneys, and they get really expensive, those insulated ones. You pay 150 for like something like this, and the rain covers, the decent ones too. You can get obviously you can get everything for like cheaper, but when you go through the roof, you really want to have insulated pipe. And so yeah, for now I just want to check if how massive this 200mm looks on this small stove. What do you reckon? Well, the color is neat. It is the same as the wood burner, and that is awesome. The diameter, you know, like it would look better if it's smaller, but it doesn't look too bad. And the whole thing is gonna sit up here, and only that part is like chimney, the rest of it is outside. What do you reckon? What do you think? Let me know, because this one is only an unboxing video. Yeah, I'm not sure. I think I'm just gonna keep it. Anyways, that was it for the unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this quick video of my awesome little new wood burner, which I'm gonna install in other videos. If you want to know more about wood burners and wood stoves and, you know, fire stoves, whatever, in general, and you want to have like comparisons between like different models you can buy, it always depends where you live, of course, and how much you want to spend, and how tiny your one should be and how good it should be. You could just go with a big one like I did in my last van. This one is a bit more special, you know, like it's super tiny, and I'm just super excited right now. I need some food though, because we're gonna paint this wall in about half an hour, so just wanted to check this out and let you know what's coming up. Okay. I might be a bit happy right now because I haven't seen it so far. This is the first time, you and me, like it's the first time I'm seeing this baby, and it looks gorgeous. It's so nice. Right now we're unpacking the new chimney that has just arrived today. I'm very excited because this one is a better size, and we got some special features and probably less stuff than before. So I'm just gonna unpack this all, and then I'll tell you a couple of things about it. Won't you take me? We've got insulated walls, as you can see, super thick 25mm insulated walls, I think. So we've got 100mm diameter inside and 150 outside. That makes it 25 for the insulation. And this one was super hard to get. I only found one shop in the whole Germany that would sell those. And yeah, this is the one pipe we're gonna need. It is super heavy. Then we've got this single to double adapter. The single pipe should go in here, and the insulated pipe comes out of the other end. So this one sits right on top of the fire stove or wood burner. And then we've got our new awesome rain cover. So it's just gonna come on here. And it fits. It's awesome. Wow. I did buy this fella here, which is a high temperature silicone flashing, I think it's called. And this one is going to come on the roof with the pipe obviously going through it. We got 150 millimeter somewhere around here, because I bought it for the 200, which I sent back, but still we can use it for the 150, which is great. Anyways, so far all the stuff has arrived, and it's coming together like this pretty good. So I think I'm gonna install it very soon. Don't know when, but I'm very keen. There you have it, all the stuff I bought so far for the chimney. There's another thing I forgot to mention, which I did buy as well. This fella here for extra security behind the pipe. Anyways, that was it for the video. Hope you liked it. Stay tuned for the next ones. And yeah, see you, boy.